Oh my god, guys. Where did all these birds come from? Alright, we're going out there investigating. Let's get a closer look. Look at that. What the heck is going on? This is weird. What? I have many questions. Look how many birds there are. I mean, like, what the heck? Do you guys have any idea what the heck is going on? As I don't. Yeah, I was just about to take my dog out when I noticed all these birds. I was like, what is that sound? I opened the window and I heard this. So I have no clue what's going on. Why are there so many birds? Let's see what happens when I run towards them. Now they're going away. Yeah, you better run. Or you better fly, I should say. You know? Because they're birds. Look at all those birds. Or are they birds? They gotta be birds. But they all look like the same type of bird. I'm kind of thinking just now that are they like bats or something? I mean, like there's a lot of them, and they make the same sound. So you know, I know I don't really do like nature stuff on this channel, but you know, why not start doing that today, huh? I mean, what is up with all these birds? I don't understand. What is going on? Is it like migration season or something? Alright, let's try to get a closer look. Damn, this is madness. I don't think there'll be any like bugs or any other types of things that I should have to worry about, but the grass is kind of tall, so I think I'm just gonna not go any further. You know, and I'm not prepared to go any further. And by the way, I don't have a coat on because I didn't want to miss this. I mean, seriously, what is going on? There should not be this many birds just randomly. I don't understand. Oh, and by the way, I have just to tell you, I have a plan to make a teaser trailer for like a Halloween series later today. Just you know, letting you know, and also kind of letting you know that you're getting 2 videos today. And whether or not you think which ones are good, that's your decision. Okay, well, I think most of the birds have moved. There's still... Oh, I was just trying to get a good view. I'm standing on top of a log. There's still a few birds here. I don't know what kind of birds they are. Like, this camera doesn't zoom, I think. I mean, I guess it could zoom, but... I should have done that before if I wanted to see them up close. Okay, well... Then where did all those birds go? And yeah, I know there's still a few over there, but where'd they go? I kind of wish I had a drone, because I could probably, like, follow them, but, you know, The drone probably wouldn't be like ready to go at this time. It'd be kind of nice to have a drone, you know? Anyways, I think that's it for now. I'm gonna walk back over there and see what's going on with these last few birds over here. And yes, it's still the same old camera. Sorry. Yeah, I think I recognize those birds. I've heard them before, but I don't know why there's so many of them and why they're all here at one time. And I guess they're staying there because I'm not super close to them and decided to stay here, unlike those other birds. Okay, well, I think we've seen enough. Let's just let them be. Okay. Well, that was weird. Alright, see you guys. I hope you enjoyed this really quick and unexpected video. And I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you're gonna enjoy the next video, which, yeah, like I just said, there's gonna be 2 videos today. Alright, see you guys.